Hello, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. We'd like to tune in further on the theme of change, for this year presents all of us with an opportunity for great internal and external changes that will affect the course of our lifetime. This is a very, very big year. So let's take a moment and come to center, ground with the new earth, ground with the heavenly lights above, with your source energy, with your guardian angels, with your guides, and all those that are around you that love and appreciate you. And let's move into the root chakra. And open up the root chakra and begin to reimagine that you are bringing into conscious awareness any and all old patterns from your history that are no longer relevant for this so-called new age of enlightenment or the new earth. Allow from your past and from your childhood, past lives, alternative lifetimes, for any and all old historical data, information, belief systems, emotions that are no longer relevant for this new earth. And allow it to come up in divine right timing into your awareness, in your meditations, so that you can bless it and give it over back to divine mother, to divine feminine, back to the light of love and compassion. This includes all sorrows, guilt, shame, regrets, all manner of anger and hostility and upsetness, depression, any level of stress. Giving it over to the higher power that is your higher self, to your monad, to your I am presence, to divine mother. Feel and reimagine that you are surrendering all old emotional baggage back to the light with your blessings. That you are now letting go of all heaviness from your past, all anxiousness and depression, anxieties, to be blessed, cleansed, and purified through your love and through your grace. So take a deep breath and allow this activation to continue until complete, knowing that all changes occur in divine right timing. Be at peace, stay balanced and centered and calm no matter what. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Enjoy this springtime. Many blessings from Sedona. Please check out our new programs and offerings at kenjikumara.com. Trust your intuition and your instincts. Doubt no more. Be the force. Blessings from Sedona. Have a great week.